How's it going, everyone? It's Jira Bro back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually add a site to your organization. Now, in order to actually do this, you need to be an organization admin. So if you're not the organization admin, you cannot add the products to your site. Now, you're probably asking, well, I'm the site administrator. I'm not able to actually do this to add a product to a specific site. No, that is the thing. You cannot add the products themselves. So you need to be the organization admin. So I'm gonna pick the organization right here. So I'm gonna go with this organization. And now the question is, where do you go now in order to add your site? This actually might be confusing, but it's within the products themselves. So as you can see, on the left corner in here, it's saying sites and products. So you know that basically one organization can exist of one or even more sites. So these right here are the sites, and each specific site can have their own products. So in order to actually add a site here, what you're actually doing is you're adding a product. And when you actually add a product, it's going to ask you to select your product. So I'm going to select the Jira in here. Also, I'm going to go for the next, and now it's asking me two things. So the first one is to actually create a complete new site or to add to an existing site. So for example, if I click here, I can only add to my site, which is actually this one. So I'm gonna create a new site in here. So I can say like Jira Bro YouTube, and it's giving me a go, so I can agree and add. I actually kind of knew that that is going to be available in there. So when you actually do this, it's gonna introduce you to which kind of which product you actually want to add in here. So I'm gonna say Kanban, for example, and it's saying that it's preparing my workspace. So it's gonna do the whole setup from the scratch. It's not gonna take too long, and you're almost done. So one thing that you actually saw right there is you're getting a standard Jira when you're adding it to your product. All right. But if you were actually under enterprise, it would add, for example, an enterprise plan. So there we go. It has created my Kanban project. In here, I can say I'm familiar. I can say this is the Kanban. Now it's asking me, well, what do I actually want to choose in here? So these form building blocks of your project, right? Well, this right here, this needs a little bit of fixing when it comes to at least this front end UI. So I'm gonna select these two. As you complete work, it moves through the statuses. So this is actually pretty cool. It actually shows you that you have the idea to do in progress, in review, and done. So you can actually make this from scratch. So this is something that is given to you, and when you actually click on finish, you are done with it. So when you go back to the board, it's now showing me idea to do and done. Actually, okay, that is kind of interesting because it wasn't really something that I wanted, but there you go. And as you can see, your URL is also being changed. And if I'm about to go to the administration here, and when I go to my organization, and when I go to the products, I'm gonna see that this product has been actually added. So this is something that I have in here. Okay, so there you go. It's that easy to actually add a site to your organization. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See ya. Bye.